women, the women of Pakistan, are our untapped brigade. No nation can fight half-handed while half its population is sidelined. The daughter of the Indus who pilots the F-16, the widow who runs a microloan cooperative in Swabi, the coder in Karachi who encrypts military comms, they are the insurgents against ignorance. And ignorance is terror's godfather. Some capitals wag their fingers at Pakistan and ask, is Pakistan doing enough? I respond in the idiom of Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, we have bled enough to write the preface of peace in our own ink. We will not have that manuscript proofread by those who stayed safe behind oceans and alibis. And a message, a word to the merchants of hate within, to those who romanticize the terror culture from drawing rooms and YouTube channels. Let me be unambiguous. We will repatriate your hashtags to the courts, your bank accounts to the audit ledger, and if necessary, your fantasies to the iron bars of law. There is no constitutional right to weaponize religion. If the world demands that Pakistan outlaw militias, which we are doing and have done, it must also demand that every people live free of collective punishment. Selective outrage is the oxygen of extremist recruiters. From the Kashmir Valley to the olive orchards in Palestine, the world must deliver a just peace. To India, I say, we have a shared stake in ending this cycle of fire. Since Pakistan and India last sat across the table to discuss terrorism in 2012, the world has changed, and so have we. We have fought and won the most extensive counter-terrorism campaign in modern history. South Waziristan was cleared, North Waziristan dismantled, urban sleeper cells uprooted, and new operations launched after the fall of Kabul. We transformed our financial system to meet the most rigorous global standards after our successful FATF grey list exit. Pakistan stands among the most serious counter-terrorism states, if not the most serious counter-terrorism state on earth. It is time that India recognizes this transformation, not as a concession, but as an opportunity. Terrorism is a collective menace. No border fence, no nationalist rhetoric, no regional hegemony can shield one nation from a fire it may have helped light on the other side. If infrastructure, safe haven, or subsidy is extended to groups like the BLA or the TTP, that same network may one day irrigate militancy that threatens India itself. Fire does not distinguish between the arsonist and the architect. We all learned this the hard way after 9/11, and it's time India does so as well. Terrorism has no nationality, no religion, no caste, no creed. It respects no border and abides by no law. I offer from this floor a clear proposition. Pakistan is ready to forge a historic, phenomenal partnership with India to jointly combat terror, not as adversaries playing a zero-sum game, but as neighbors who share a moral and civilizational obligation to protect over 1 billion souls from the plague of extremism. All it requires is for India's leadership to step down from the high horse that is galloping its republic towards the abyss, pursue peace with Pakistan, sit with us, talk to us, Let us resolve Kashmir in accordance with the aspirations of its people. Let us end the weaponization of water and build instead a peace as mighty as the Himalayas. Let us return to our shared traditions grounded not in hatred, but in the ancient soil of the Indus Valley civilization. It is not weakness to extend a hand, it is wisdom. And to the world, I would like to extend an invitation. Come train with us. Come learn from Pakistan. Learn from our armed forces. Learn from our special forces. Learn from our police force. We have waged the most extensive counter-terrorism, counter-violent extremism battle from generation to generation. Study our counter-terrorism authority dataset. Few databases are richer. Come walk a rebuilt Pakistan in the aftermath of terror. Few places tell a more vivid before and after. Let's partner and let partnership replace perception. I speak not just as former foreign minister or chairman of the Pakistan People's Party, but as a son of the soil who has met mothers holding photographs of children lost to blasts, as a brother of journalists who dodge bullets telling the truth, as a citizen whose generation was shaped by the sound of explosions. I pledge that Pakistan will pursue every cell, choke every pipeline, and confront every narrative that seeks to turn our cradle of civilization into a cemetery for hope. And from this house, I ask a unanimous resolve. In the words of Shaheed Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto, we have come too far, sacrificed too much to turn back now. And from our allies, I ask the courage of consistency. Stand by us when we win headlines, and stand with us when we bury our dead. And in conclusion, when my grandfather Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto thundered at the United Nations in 1965, he warned, we will fight for 1,000 years, but we will not surrender. Today, I echo him with one revision. We will fight for as long as it takes, but we will not need 1,000 years. Because our enemy is small against the expanse of our conviction, and conviction is the oldest, strongest weapon known to humankind. Let the clerics of chaos know. The people of Pakistan have endured empire and earthquakes, partition and dictatorship, floods and pandemics. Your improvised explosives are a footnote in a story whose chapters are written in resilience. Let the merchants of fear know, each time you strike, we rebuild taller. Each time you divide, we reconcile deeper. Each time you preach death, we invest in life. And let the world know, when the dust settles of this era, the chronicles will record that Pakistan, misunderstood, maligned, yet magnificent, stood at the trench line, stared into the abyss, and by the grace of God and the grit of our people, dragged humanity back from the brink. Pakistan, Zindabad.
इस्लामाबाद में दुनिया के लिए पाकिस्तान की दहशतगर्दी के खिलाफ जंग के मौजू पर बैनुल अक़वामी कॉन्फ्रेंस से चेयरमैन पीपल्स पार्टी बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी खिताब कर रहे थे। उनका कहना था दहशतगर्दी एक आलमी मसला है। पाकिस्तान ने दहशतगर्दी के खिलाफ जंग में भारी जानी और माली नुकसान उठाया है। सरेंडर करना पाकिस्तान की डिक्शनरी में नहीं है। पाकिस्तान दहशतगर्दों के खिलाफ पूरे अज़्म के साथ बरसरे पैकार है। हमने अपनी आइंदा नस्लों को महफूज मुस्तकबिल के लिए दहशतगर्दी को शिकस्त देनी है। पाकिस्तान ने दहशतगर्दी के खिलाफ सबसे ज्यादा कुर्बानियां दी। पाकिस्तान ने दहशतगर्दी के खिलाफ जंग में भारी जानी और माली नुकसान उठाया है। पाकिस्तान दहशतगर्दों के खिलाफ पूरे अज़्म के साथ बरसरे पैकार है। हमने अपनी आइंदा नस्लों के महफूज मुस्तकबिल के लिए दहशत गर्दी को शिकस्त देनी है। ज़रबे अज़ब और रद्दुल फसाद जैसे ऑपरेशंस ने दहशत गर्दों की कमर तोड़ डाली है। पाकिस्तान दहशत गर्दी के खिलाफ हर अव्वल दस्ते का किरदार अदा कर रहा है। उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान हरगिज दहशत गर्दों के सामने नहीं झुकेगा। बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी ने मजीद कहा कि सरेंडर करना पाकिस्तान की डिक्शनरी में शामिल नहीं है। अफगानिस्तान से कहा है कि वो अपनी सरजमीन पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ दहशत गर्दी के लिए इस्तेमाल ना होने दें। अफगान अबूरी हुकूमत दोहा मुआहदे में किए गए वादों की पासदारी करे। पाकिस्तान दहशत गर्दी के खिलाफ ये जंग दुनिया के अमन के लिए लड़ रहा है।